Hello everyone. So welcome to this short video. In this video, we will learn how to use the virtual machine to solve your BPT problems. Okay. So so since I am using if you are using any operating system, just open your terminal. I'm right now using Windows 11, so I will open my PowerShell. Okay. So where it is. So my PowerShell is ready. Okay. Now write the following command. Okay. So I think so. Working on something else, no problem. SSH, whatever is your email ID, please open it. Okay, so I've written the email ID. Yeah, so SSH. When you enter this, you will see it will take few moments to connect with the server. And once it is okay, so I think so. We have done it wrong. I think so. No problem. Okay, okay. So SSH, whatever is your email ID, then write cs1102 dot study dot itm dot ac dot in. Okay. Okay. So see, I've gone into my virtual machine. So you can see from the prompt 21F3, this is my roll number at the rate CS1102. Okay. So as you can see from the command prompt, based on your roll number will be visible here like this. Now type command pwd to locate where you are. So I'm in my home directory. Okay. So when let's do ls. So you can see there is a readme.md file, which I would request all the students to read once, since it has all the instructions where the questions are located, where to write the commands, and how to test whether the command that you have written has passed all the test cases or not. Okay, so you can write command less readme.md or batcat readme.md to read the file. So I'll use batcat command, batcat readme.md. Okay, so you see, it is given that how your virtual machine, your assignments are present in this directory. Your solution has to be present in another directory, which we will see in this example. Okay, so these are some FAQs. You can read this once. If you have any other queries, you can ask in the live sessions. So let's go and check out where these assignment questions are. So now you have to write this command. I'll clear the screen once. Okay, so write the command cd opt cs1102. Okay, now you have reached this directory. Now write the ls command. Now you see all your BPT problems, NPPE problems, everything is present here. Okay, you can see all your questions here. Now when read the question by going into any of the file. Okay, so and there is one more way. We'll use another way also. Okay, so now let's go back to the home directory. So we can go to the home directory by using cd tilde. Okay, now we have reached the home directory. Okay, so now using ls command, we can check whether the directory named cs1102 is present or not. So cs1102 should be present in your present directory. Or if it is not present, I would ask you to write the command mkdir and tilde in your home directory. Create this folder, okay? Directory cs1102. I'm not pressing enter because it is already created for. Okay, now you go into this directory. Okay, so cd cs1102. We now for the first question, okay, first do the ls. I have calculated few of the things. So I have the, if you see very carefully, your name of the files in the opt opt cs1102 or in your home directory cs1102 should be same. Then only your final evaluation will be done fine, okay, correctly. So when you come into this cs1102 in the home directory, write the command mkdir bpt1 underscore problem and underscore one. See, you have since it is case sensitive, so you have to take care of each and every one. So since I have the directory created already, so I'll just go into this cd bpt1. Okay, okay, problem one. So we have reached this place. Okay, So now you have to remember this one command synchro show to read the question. Okay, what is the command? Synchro show. Okay, so see, so there is this is the question for first. Okay, so it says the question is the company has five departments. This the question, and there is a directory for every team in this question BPT1, and then you have to write a bash command. So this is your final question in red. Okay. Now it says there is a special note here that you have to run the synchro init command before you start working on it. So synchro init. If you press enter, then your precursor work of this question will be done. So once you have completed these commands and you have written everything, just run the synchro eval command. Okay. Synchro eval command. So it will do something like this. It has around 150 test cases for the first question, and it says that you have passed all of them. So the public test cases is evaluation successful, submission is successful. So if you get these two in green color, so this means that your first question is now complete. So what you can do is you first let's clear the screen and then go one directory up. So this is now you are here. Now what you have to do, you have to create another folder mkdir bpt1 underscore problem underscore 2. Okay, and press enter. But since again I have it, so I won't make it again. So I'll just go into it bpt1 problem 2. So again you have to repeat the same process. Okay, so repeat the same process, then do synchro. Finally you will do synchro eval. Okay, so public test cases evaluation successful, public test cases submission is successful, private cases were not present for this question. So once you see this, this means you have completed your question successfully, and now you can move on to the subsequent questions in the similar fashion. So there are two, three things very important. First, you have to do the SSH command to enter into your virtual machine. Then create the directory name as per the opt folder in your home directory also. Then if in some questions synchro init is necessary, so do the synchro init. After that, you can do the command synchro show to check the question, and finally do synchro eval to check whether your test cases has passed or not. Okay, so I hope this process is exactly clear. So just press exit button to come out of the virtual machine. So your virtual machine will be closed now. So I hope this is clear.